part. Okay, from there we need to start. Okay, because it's a many to one mapping which we are trying to build, right? So from there we need to start. Okay, so where is our entity class? Here. Here there is a customer and here there is a mobile, right? So these things we want to do. Okay, what we will do first? First thing, within our mobile. Okay, within our mobile, what I will do is, okay, you already know this, we have already seen how to do these things in case of our hibernate. Okay, little bit already we have seen, so that I'm just performing one more also. Okay, let's say here within this I will create one more thing which is known as, because I want to perform many to one, right? So what I will do, within the mobile entity class, I am creating the customer. Okay, so this I am taking. Fine. So when I am taking it like this, what should happen? Okay, so this part should be, we need to say many to one. So many mobiles belongs to one customer. That relation we are building here. Many to one. Okay. Now, based on what parameter you want to join, that also you need to mention. Let's say join column. Okay. On what parameter you want to join? Okay, which is basically the customer ID. Yes or no? Everyone, are you getting? In our mobile, okay, here one more column should be added. What is that? Customer ID. Okay, that is what I am keeping here. Okay, at the rate join column name equals to customer ID. So in this mobile, one more column is getting added. Clear? Everyone? Up to this clear? Yes? All of you? Yeah. Now, accordingly, when we have added this one, right? Accordingly, we should also change our setters and getters also. This also we need to change. Okay? So I am changing this one because one more column has been added, right? So one more column if it is added, now I need to change setters and getters as well. So what I am doing, I will take first constructor using fields. Okay, now you see even this customer has also been added here. That's fine. Next, I will generate getters and setters also. Okay, and then I will generate constructor from superclass like this. Okay, so these all things I have given. This is something which is important. Okay, what we have done, once again I am repeating. Listen, in our mobile entity, okay, in our mobile entity, I want to add one more column basically. What is that column? The customer ID column. Already ID name image is present. I want to add one more column which is basically known as the customer ID. Okay, that customer ID is coming from where? From the customer. Okay, so I have added like this, and then I have said that at the rate join column name equals to customer ID. Okay, and the relation is what? Many to one. That means many mobiles belongs to one customer. Okay, so that relation I am building here. Okay, so this part is done. Fine. Up to this clear, everyone? Yes, very good. See, I am just going with the unidirectional, so I'm not doing that many changes within this. Okay, only within the mobile I did. Only unidirectional I am performing. That's it. Okay, this is enough. Now, what we will do? Okay, now where we need to do is we have to now just do some changes. Okay, what changes? See here, when you are retrieving, whenever you are retrieving the mobile, what you are getting? Tell me. Whenever you are retrieving the mobile, we are getting the details like, okay, these details we are getting. Now, along with this mobile details, I also want this mobile to be belonging to which customer. That detail also I want here. Okay, that I want to implement, right? So what you can do is, see here now, once again I am telling you, within our, sorry, this, where is our STS? Okay. So within our, go to mobile controller first. Okay, within the mobile controller, when I am getting the details, right? When I am getting the details, suppose let's say, based on something, I am trying to get some details. Okay, so what am I supposed to do? Okay, for that, let us just go here once. Go to mobile repository. Okay, here what I will do is I will write one more method mark. Okay, what I want, suppose when I am saying mobile, based on that the publisher details also I want, that I want to change. Are you getting my point? Right, that I want. So when I want the details like that, what I need to do, see here, so I will write down here it as a customer, fine, and suppose let's say I'm giving some method name. When I'm simply passing only one detail, what is it? That is nothing but the mobile ID. When I am passing these details, I also need the customer details also for that particular mobile. Okay, so for this particular mobile belongs to which customer, that also I want. Getting my point, everyone? If I am sending mobile ID 1, to which customer this mobile ID 1 belongs to? Okay, that customer details I want. Okay, so now what we need to do, accordingly we have to write the method for this one also, right? So just a minute, where we will go now, within our mobile JPS service. Okay, because this service is implementing our repository, right? So now you can just click on this one, add unimplemented methods. Now see here, so within this now we need to write the method. Okay, so what you will do now here, write down here it as, first thing, see, first you need to check whether that mobile ID exists or not. Yes or no? Right, ma? First you need to check whether the mobile ID exists or not. If the mobile ID is existing, then you can return to which customer it belongs to. Okay, so that's why what I will do here, first I will try to retrieve the mobile details. Okay, so mobile equals to, okay, how you will get that mobile repository? So like this I have written, and then what you can do is actually here when you have to get these details directly, instead of writing like this, what you need to do, just try to return the details like this. So here this is fine. While customer we have done. Okay, once after you have written that, then you can just call this one. So we need to get the customer basically to which particular this one. Suppose if you didn't find, then it has to throw an exception. Okay. So what I will do is right now I will go here within our controller also. I will write down one more get mapping. Okay. In this get mapping, what should be there is, what is this service, go to the so if suppose here I am making this as at the rate get mapping. Now within this what I want to do is, suppose I am entering for the mobiles, out of that let's say suppose the mobile ID 1 belongs to which customer I want, right? Directly I should not provide, yeah. So let's say mobile ID. This particular mobile ID belongs to which customer, right? That we want to specify. So I'm keeping like this. Is this okay? This API, this part is okay? Everyone? Okay. So now I will specify at the rate path variable. What happened? Yeah. Okay, no issues. So this is the thing, and then now you just need to what you have to return this, right? Because it's a customer, it is returning the type as customer. You need to say return mobile service. You just need to call that method. That's it. It has to return the customer for us. Now wherever it matches, it is going to return that value for us, okay? So now what we will do is, let's say here, let us just check this method once. Check it the post. Mobile slash 1. Oh, I need to restart, right? What's this? let's just stop. Something is going wrong, wait. Did we mention @path variable here? Oh, sorry. This we need to do, okay? @path variable. Wait. See, can you see here the customer attribute also? Yes or no, everyone? Right? You can see the customer attribute here. Okay, so now if you have seen this, like let's say now we will go for the customers also. The customers, what are the details we have? We have all these details. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. Now from this, we have to do that mapping over here. Okay, that means when I am saying that get mobile, okay, as if now basically what we are getting this field as null. Okay, so we are getting this field as null. Fine, but what we want in that place, we basically want our this thing to be there. Just a minute, I'll just tell you one thing. Where this is going something. Customer ID one already we created. Why this is not coming? It's correct only. Some more details here. Okay. So what I will do is within this, instead of just directly saving or adding a mobile like this and doing, so we also want to add the customer details as well. Okay, we want to add even the customer details also. For adding the customer details, first we need to get or else can we directly insert values into the database and then can retrieve? Okay, fine, no issues. First let me try. Okay, after that we will just discuss once again. Okay, first I am trying to do this one. Let's just check. Okay, what I will do is I am trying to take one customer here. Okay, fine. So customer, once after we get these details, okay, fine. So for the particular mobile, who is the customer? So let us just try to get those details here. Let me write down customer ID equals to, okay, what is it? Customer dot we have this one directly. Okay, so I'm just taking this one because we want to get these details as well. Okay, so by taking the customer, first I want to find out for the particular mobile belongs to which customer, that I'm trying to retrieve here. And then when you want to add it, you need to add it like this. Okay. Just a minute. Let me try. I will explain. Don't worry. Please don't worry. I will explain. So what I want to do here, I just wanted to I will simply write on it as mobile dot we need to import this thing also, like how we have imported customer. I'll just tell you what does this mean, okay? And if any other things are there, we can manage an exception. Okay. Let me just go here. You have to also save it, right? What you will do? Okay. I will explain, Ma. Please don't worry. I will explain. Save. You want to save these details. What is it? The mobile details. Yeah. And then here we can return mobile. Okay. So what I was doing is first, yeah, done. Everything is same, only the implementation we have changed it actually. Okay, so that's it, nothing much is there. So what I will do is within our mobile controller, whenever we are performing adding a new mobile, whenever we are doing a adding a new mobile, what I will do is here I will also add one more field which is known as the customer. Okay, so when I wanted to add this, like this, I'm adding one so that it becomes easy for you to understand. So let us just try, Ma. 1 minute. Let us just try it, and then if this is working, then we can consider. I will explain from starting once. I'm also trying.
అక్క అమ్మగడ ఫోన్ చేయి, అమ్మకి ఫోన్ చేయి ఒకసారి, అమ్మకి ఫోన్ చేయి, మా మమ్మీకి మాట్లాడమన్నది, మాట్లాడతా అన్నది, ఫ్రీగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఒకసారి ఏమను మాట్లాడతా అన్నది. నేను ఎత్త గిట్ట రేపు ఎత్తది బాగా కాదు, ఇక ఫ్రీగా ఉంటావు లేదా, కొంచెం ఫ్రీగా ఉన్న తర్వాత కొంచెం మంచిగా ఫ్రీగా ఉన్నప్పుడు. సరే.
Particular path. This part is working.
ఉంటుంది, పోతా తీసుకొని వస్తా కానీ
http localhost 8080 / only one customer is there. when you have to do the post request, we should also provide the body. Suppose, let's say, what are the different fields we have in our this one? Now let's go with the one more, like a new mobile I will take. Fine. So let me take it as Realme 5 Pro. Okay. And then I will also take image Realme 5 Pro. JPG. If this is working, then I can consider that many to one mapping is working properly. Okay. So that's why I will show this one just a minute. And we also have one more field which is known as the publisher, right? In this publisher, we have, I will specify only the publisher ID now. Okay. Only one field I will specify. Let's say it has a 1. Okay, that's it. I gave like this. Something is going wrong. Ma'am? This is customer, ma. Sorry. I was doing the book project. Okay, yeah. So now we will send it. See, within this mobile, just a minute. Correct only, ma. When we are doing this, what it should return is, it has to return us the total details of the mobile. That is what we want to achieve. Add a mobile. Wait. Let us once check this one. Select star from mobile. This we have. Star from is going wrong. We have added getting that only as a null first. That null value only we shouldn't get. Why we are getting null? Should be adding this field. See, however, we are not doing bidirectional. No, bidirectional. If we are not using, it has to work. Because customer ID field is there. So in this place, automatically that ID should come when we are adding these things like this. Okay. See, I am adding a new mobile. So for the new mobile, I want to assign the customer. Okay, this mobile also belongs to customer ID 1. Okay, that I am trying to build here. What is the problem? Why it says not found? What is going wrong? Just now we added one thing, right? What was that real mean? Nothing is returning. But there is no error also. Where is our control service? We'll go here once again. Let me just last time check this. See here, ma. First, what we are doing, we are trying to find the mobile basically. Okay. So that mobile dot get customer we are doing. What I am missing here? Why it is giving null? Shouldn't give null actually. Has to return the value. I will just try to insert into
వెళ్ళనా అక్క
mobile. What are the fields? Image, comma, name, comma. Okay. Already within the customer, what we have? This one we have. Okay, no issues. It has to add automatically, but yeah, no issues. We will just once check like this. But when we add a new one, okay, no issues. Just take one more. This one.
Recording on.
Okay. I'll take this as a red. Let's say I'll give it as a 1. Okay. Now let me check the details from here.
Remember to brush your teeth. Okay. More candy. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Bye.
Okay, wait. This is a mobile 5. So for this particular mobile, can you see? This is added. We got the details. Are you getting everyone? See, for that particular mobile, this I want to achieve first. Okay, this is okay now. What we will do now, let's take post request. Okay, so when we do the post request, still it has to work. Suppose now I will do this one, Realme 5 Pro also. But from here, why it is not working? Why this is not working from this side? Automatically this should come. Okay, let me do one more request. See here, this detail you see, but One through postman when I am adding y, that is okay. This field is given as ID. Acha, got it. That is the issue. Fine. Now I understood, ma. Sorry. The ID we gave, right? That was a problem. Okay. So see now it will work. Okay? Got it, ma? Yeah. So my mistake. Actually, I forgot here. This here we gave, right, already? Yes or no? From this part, what did we give? We gave it as ID. Okay, that we need to take. See here. I mentioned this as ID here. Even in case of customer also, I mentioned this as ID only. Okay? Clear, people? Yeah. So that's why it was not working. Otherwise, it was. Okay, done. So this was the thing. Fine. So now you see, for a particular customer, right? For a particular customer, when you want to do the post request, let's say now one more also I will take. Okay. Let's take one more thing, which is just give some mobile name. That's why iPhone. Okay. iPhone I'll take. This belongs to 2. Let's keep like this. Fine. This belongs to Arjun. Okay. So like this. Now in this way you can just check now. Suppose if I am trying to retrieve the mobiles, okay, you can get these details. See, for 2 mobiles, one is Redmi 9 as well as Realme 5 Pro. Both belongs to one customer. Okay, that is customer ID 1. Are you getting, ma? Right? And the iPhone, this belongs to customer ID 2. Okay, this is what we were doing. Fine. So that's the only thing. Fine. So have you understood or not? All of you? Yes, people? See here, ma. Now I will explain once again. Don't worry. I will explain you. So see.